Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, today's topic is sheet mask. So, I know every one of you knows about sheet mask. This is nothing new, but do we really know how to correctly use the sheet masks? Let me clear you in this video that how you can get the proper benefits and ultimate glow with any kind of sheet mask. So without further ado, let's start our today's video. So talking about the first point, that we always store our sheet masks in the front, like in a straight positions, but this is where we are doing all wrong, because when we position our sheet mask straight, all the juices of the sheet mask will go only down, and the real sheet mask, like the sheets of the mask, are placed on the middle. So when we are trying to apply it, we will get a dry mask, like not this much dry, but a little dry mask, and all the benefits and the juices, half of it will be laying down in your packets. So try to always lay it down and store it. So it will remain all the juices in itself without leaking it on the packet. Second of all, when we are trying to get more benefits and more soothing, we all know that we can store our sheet mask on refrigerators, but there is a special kind of refrigerator for your skincare, but many of we, especially me, can't afford that. So telling about a cooling sheet mask, you can do a simple hack. Just have a bowl of ice and just place your sheet mask packets on it. Give it 5 minutes and it will cool your sheet mask to the perfect point. And this is something which will also close up your pores. Even the sheet mask is not a pore closing, it will close your pores because it is cold with ice. So this second point is really important in your skincare. Number three is, when you actually store it straight, the all the juices will get down. So if you can't store it or lay it down, try to massage the pack. And by massaging, don't extract the juices from the sheet, but try to get it back on the pack. Like lay it down on your hands and massage the packet towards the sheet, and it will try as much as the juices contains in the sheet. Number four is, always read the instructions before using the sheet mask. Some sheet mask, like we generally know that we should use a sheet mask for 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. But there are many sheet masks who says that you need to do it for 20 to 30 minutes. Many have 45 minutes, or maybe anyone have 10 minutes only. So that's really varies on sheet mask to sheet mask. So always read the instruction, don't apply more than that or less than that, and also try to pick it up from your face in the correct time, or it will do harm on your skin than benefit, because when you apply sheet mask, it will get onto your skin, but if you have more than the time the sheet mask on your face, it will absorb the moisture from your face. So try to be really consistent about the timings. Number 5 is, we always do that we open the sheet mask and like press the sheet mask out. Now that is not the case, Nia. We should always open and then pick the product from the sheet mask, so all the juices in the sheet mask will be remain onto our face as well. If we press too hard, all the juices will again get in the bottom. Now in number 6, let's talk about the different types of sheet mask you can apply on different types of skin. So because I have dry skin, and you, if you have also, dull dry skin always requires more moisture, so try to use brightening with the glycerin, niacinamide are really helpful ingredients. So if you have dry skin, dull skin, try to look for these ingredients. If you have oily skin, you can always look for a light moisture which is not loaded up with oils. So try to use hyaluronic acid or salicylic acid kind of things. If you have combination skin, try to be balancing sheet mask, especially those sheet masks which I don't have right now. Those sheet masks which have the top and bottom separated, try to use that one so it will balance your skin. For acne prone skin, you always have to soothe your skin, so try to have tea tree or vitamin C or salicylic acid in your sheet mask. And sensitive skin always needs peptides on their skin and obviously hyaluronic acid. So these were my suggestions for the sheet mask you should use according to your skin type. Number 7 will be that when you apply your sheet mask, let me tell you the real thing out there, that how much your skin absorbs the sheet mask juices. More than that, the weather out of you, the environment out of you absorb the sheet mask juices more. So try to wear a second mask. So second mask means maybe a cover up, like I'm using a ice facial mask. This is everywhere available. You don't need to panic where you can find it. So what this does, that it will be a skin barrier for your sheet mask, so the weather doesn't absorb the juices. And second of all, that it will be more cooling and relaxing with the ice mask. And after that, you can also massage your skin as well with massagers or eye rollers, whatever you prefer, or just use your fingers, the best tools we have, and just tingle on your face, on your V-line, or just massage it up and down. This is really like something which will benefit your skin more, like give your skin some sensations to absorb it. So doing some massaging even with your fingers are really helpful with sheet mask. Last but not the least, always preserve the leftover juice by clipping. So try to get this done, because you obviously don't wanna throw at the expensive masks. So try to clip the packet and store the leftover juice, or either way you can just put on some tissues in that, just your toner pads, and you can apply it for the next time. And last but not the least, I will give you a homemade sheet mask recipe, which you can use just by having a bowl, a spoon, and your toner and a lotion. So I'm using this toner. You can use any kind of toner you like. Just go for your skin needs, what your skin needs. You can use any kind of toner. So just drip some of that toner and then add some of your favorite cream or lotions. You can use any cream or lotion and drip or add the spoons of the lotion in the toner and just mix it quite nicely, and then have a dry tissue at you and just drip that onto the glass, and this will suck the juice in no time, and you can have your homemade tissues sheet mask at you at any time. And now surely the last, like God promised, that you should always fit your face into your sheet mask. So always our nose points or maybe our cheek and jaw lines are not matched with the sheet. So try to use a scissor and cut in this position to fit your face perfectly. So fitting a sheet mask perfectly will also give you more perfect and perfect V-line. So yeah, this is a really working and easy method to get a V-line as well. So these were my favorite sheet mask tricks and tips for you guys. I hope that this tips and tricks will come in help of you. And I always want to say that don't have something really heavy sheet mask, like I'm saying about the material the sheet is made of, always try to be have cotton and breathable kind of fabrics, so that will also help your face in spite of pulling it down. So that was my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like this video, go like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope that I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.